Hey y'all, hey, welcome. My name is Tashamarietmr. If you're new to my channel, if you're back again, welcome back. Today you guys, we're going to do a cook with me video. I'm going to show you guys how I make my sausage breakfast balls. A lot of people use it for holiday appetizers. I cook it whenever throughout the year. When I cook so many, I put them in freezer bags, put it in the freezer. You know, everybody can take them out. The kids can take them out. Put them in the microwave for like a minute. It's a real quick, easy meal. It's a very tasty meal. And you guys stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first we're going to get started. I'm going to show you the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 2 cups of bisquick. You're going to need 2 cups of cheese. You can use mild, sharp, whatever kind you like. Because I said this is quick, most people take their, grate their cheese, to get a block of cheese and grate it. But since this is quick, I just use the cheese that's already shredded in the bag. Either way, it's the same consistency. You use Jimmy Dean sausage. I use 2 rolls of Jimmy Dean sausage. You can use whichever sausage you like. If you don't use pork sausage, then you can use turkey sausage. Alright? And then I also use some milk. I would say about 3 teaspoons of milk. And then I use a little accent for the flavoring, okay? So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up our sausage. Okay, and I'm just going to step over here for a minute, wash my hands. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and put the cheese. So you put the sausage in the bowl. Then you're going to go ahead and put your cheese in there. Okay, you go ahead and put your bisquick in there. Like that. And that's how that looks. Okay. Try to bend that down a little bit, you guys, so you can see actually what's going on. Okay. And then I take a little accent. Okay, and so what you can mix it with your hands. So that's how you can mix it with your hands, or you can. I use a hand mixer, or if you have one of those electric mixers, you can use that as well. So then you go ahead and start mixing it around. Turn that speed down just a little. And you do that so you can get the bisquick and the cheese all mixed in with the bread. I do that to get it started. Okay. Use my knife to get that off the paddles. Set those over in the sink. Alright. And then you can just take your hand and finish wheeling that around. And you just want it all mixed in together, you guys. Get the cheese, the bisquick. Once you get that mixed in really well, then you go ahead and pour a little of your milk in there to make it a little moist, to help everything stick together. Okay, and I'll take a little more milk, put that on in there. Okay, get my hands off real quick. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to show you guys how that looks. And then what I do is I take a tray, like a baking sheet, and I put parchment paper on there. Okay. And then I take it and just ball it up like that and put it on the pan. And what I'm going to do is, y'all, I'm going to finish balling these up, and then I'll come back and show you how many I was able to ball up. You guys, so I was able to ball up 35 of them. I try to make them about 1 inch apart. If you want more even sized balls, of course when you're rolling them up, some balls are going to be not, you know, they're not all going to be the same size. You can actually use like a little ice cream scooper so you can have the same consistency. But I mean, again, you guys, this is quick and easy, okay? So it was just quicker for me to ball them up by hand. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the oven for on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. In 20 minutes, I'll check them. And then in 25, if they're done, I'll take them out. If not, I'll leave them there for 5 more minutes. And I'll show you guys the finished product. You guys, and here is the finished product. I'll pick one up real quick so you guys can see how nice and brown that is. And what I use, you guys, you can use honey mustard. You can use any brand. I use French's. You can use, what I do is I just put some in a bowl like this. Put some on a plate. And there you go. Sausage balls. And you can use syrup. I mean, you can use whatever you want, whatever your preference is, okay? But most people, if they're doing like a holiday appetizer, they tend to take the honey mustard, the French's honey mustard, and use that. I'll show you that, guys, that again. And quick and easy sausage balls. All right, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and come back again to see another one of my Cook With Me quick and easy recipes. Thank